Hi, I'm Chris. I'm the creator of LiveWall, and I want to show you how you can use this app to easily gather and share photos privately with friends, family, colleagues, or event attendees using a simple QR code. So here on the screen with me, you see livewall.no, and what I want you to look for on the site is not all of the information about the product, but one of these try for free buttons. Once you hit that, you can test LiveWall entirely for free, and it's created now this private secure space just for you and your photos. LiveWall encourages you now to upload some photos so you can see how the product works. So I'm going to hit this little upload button here and select a few photos from some demos from Pexels, and you can see these are coming in. Now they are stored on the server and they're available in what is called the feed. And LiveWall is best when you share it with friends. So we want to share this feed with someone right now. And what I want you to look for is this little QR icon here. You can also use the share button here in the feed. This is hidden if you're on the mobile phone or at least behind the hamburger menu. So I'm going to click this little QR now, and this is the private QR code for this wall. So if I bring up my mobile phone here, I can now scan this QR code, and that will take me to the same wall. So I'm going to hit the QR button here, scan that, hit enter, and I'm now coming into the feed. So now I'm logged in as a guest on my mobile phone. You can see that looks slightly different with less functionality and a very easy user-friendly view, so anyone can see and share and contribute with their own photos. If you look at the bottom of the mobile phone screen, there is a camera. So that's sort of like a disposable camera, super easy to use inside LiveWall. You can also upload existing photos you have on the phone, which I'm going to do right now. So I'll go into the library, select a few photos here, and hit upload on those, and they will be sent to the server. So if I, on my PC now, closes this, I can go into the grid and I can see those photos being uploaded, and any other guest that has this feed open will in real time see these new photos arriving. But I'm going to put the mobile away for now, and we're going to focus on what's in LiveWall in the product here. So I've now shown you two views, the feed, which is chronological, the grid, which gives you an easy overview. You have our famous Polaroid wall, which gives you a different way of organizing photos. And you have a slideshow that by default takes you through photos in 10 seconds at a time. You can hit the left and right arrow keys if you want to go faster, or go into settings and adjust the timing. If I go back to the grid, I can of course delete photos. So let's take the first one here. Now that one's going to be gone forever. If I don't want to delete them, but I want to hide them from guests, I can hit the small icon here, which is the crossed out eye, and those will now be hidden. And whenever I hide something, it goes into the hidden folder here. So it's still there, but now private to me. Just like I have the hidden folder, I also have favorites. So I like this one, well, I like this one, I like this one. And now I have sort of curated these and kept my favorites in a separate folder. Hopefully you get hundreds or thousands of photos from your guests, and then you need these tools to be able to get an overview and find your best ones. You can download from LiveWall, so there's a small download icon here to get those files. And after the event, you can also download everything as one big zip file, or you can even connect to Google Drive to have everything delivered in real time to your Google Drive, Google Photos as people upload. So let's go back to the feed. The one thing we need to do now is to secure this wall. So I'm going to type in my name. No, not my name. We're going to call this wedding wall. It's called November Day, so we'll leave that there. Hit save. It asks me to upload a header photo, and I'm going to choose some of these nice flowers for that. So now I have a header photo. I can replace that with this small icon here, and of course change the text at any time. Now I need to type in my name and email address, And this will create an account for me on LiveWall.no so that I can log in and find back to this wall and have these photos securely stored. So I'll click register on that. That will send an email to my Gmail here. Let's refresh that. Gives me this one-time code. That's the last one. Take this and paste that in, and voila, the product and the wall is now mine. So this is safely stored, and I will now receive another email from LiveWall, which looks like this. That says that you can now access your wall with this magic login. You can share this login with your partner or others helping you with the event, and they will have the same admin access as you do. Also, within half an hour or so, you will get an email from LiveWall with QR cards, and these are some examples, PDFs created ready for you with your QR codes, so they are ready to print, and you can give them to guests so that they can easily upload during or after the event. If you don't like these initial suggestions, you can click the link in this email, and that takes you to a QR card generator where you can select from a large number of templates, different styles, languages, and so on, so you can get cards for your event. And all of these are easily edited in Canva or in Adobe Illustrator. That's basically all you need to be able to test LiveWall. I will create more videos that dives into other parts of the products and show the full depth. But for now, go to livewall.no, hit one of these try buttons, get some photos in, get some friends in, and you can start experiencing the product. And I really hope you like it, and hope you see you there. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to head over to the FAQ. You'll find a lot of commonly asked questions there. You can search to easily manage what's in there. And if you're in doubt with anything, or you need some more help, reach out to us on email, WhatsApp, Instagram, whatever, and we'll do our best to help you. Take care.